Hey guys, a while back, a company that you may or may not know called QuadHands put out a tweet asking if people preferred one of their two products. The first product was this guy right here. This is their original QuadHands bench, I guess. And it's great, but since then they've actually come out with a newer version that I think I like a little bit more. And it's this one right here. And to look at them, they look fairly similar, but the difference is here is that with this one, you can take off whatever you don't need. And I really like that they've done that, so you can take off, like I said, whatever you don't need, add additional arms that you can order from their store, that sort of thing. You can put these pretty much wherever, because these are all done with magnets, whereas on the original, everything's screwed in through the bottom with the feet there.
This shit too personally. Everybody got a different version of me. Everybody gotta be learning from me. Everybody wanna be working with me. And I feel like there's uncertainty and urgency to find out what you wanna be. But honestly, we change our minds constantly. So stop and breathe and find out who you wanna be.
So I've been using each one kind of off and on, going back and forth, seeing which ones I like better over the other, and I kept going back to their newer design here, just because I like to be able to move things around and have a bit more flexibility for my use. The other nice thing about either one of these, really, because they're made out of the same material, is let's say you wanted to add additional parts and pieces, like I like to use magnifying glass sometimes when I'm soldering. I can just stick it there. Whoops. Not a super strong magnet on there. This is something I concocted there, but you can use a magnet to hold things in place if you wanted to add additional things. Like I said, they've got additional parts, arms, accessories that you can get for these, and I really dig that. And so I really want to thank QuadHands for sending this out to me. I've been sitting on this for a couple of months, and I apologize for taking that long to get this video done, but I can easily say that I do dig their newer version better because it's got the magnetic arms that you can move and remove parts that you don't need, that sort of thing. So if you're interested in picking one of these up, I will have a link down in the description where you can jump over to their website and grab either of the two models that I've shown here, or any of the new devices and things that they've got on their website. Again, thanks to QuadHands for sending this over. I really do appreciate it. And I also want to thank you, the audience, for watching. As always, thanks for your time. I always appreciate your support, and I'll talk to you in the next video.
More than what we're earning. Best lesson I learned is to keep on searching. Find your true passion and get to work. And better take action or you end up serving. Yeah, that's a fact. So you better clean up your act. So you better raise up a sack and tell the world they can suck on that. Don't come back, pack your bags. You take a trip and don't relax. You hit the switch and just attack. You find your niche and make some racks. Don't hold back. Everybody wake up. It's time to break up with the